Life, all life, all life, all life. Hello my babies, you're here again with me, baby. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I truly missed you guys. Like it has been a while. I changed my hair and everything. So from the bottom of my heart, I missed you. Aww. She finally learned how to do the way the kids do it these days. Bam. If you are already a subscriber here, welcome back. But if you are not, then please feel free to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any of my haul videos. Holy moly! Yes, you guys, I went a little crazy during this mid-season sale era of the Philippines. What? Honestly, there have been sales left and right. Some major damage has been done, and so it is time to assess. For the purpose of this video, I'm only going to get into my Mango, Zara, and Bershka hauls, because if we include every single thing, this video is just gonna go on and on for hours. And so let me try to compress. Let's go to Mango. This was actually the first store that went on sale, and I love Mango because their quality is so amazing and they always have the coolest bohemian pieces. This one is not bohemian, no, but I did get a lot of gingham print from them. So this maxi dress comes in this green color, which is beautiful. I love how it has the bigger print over here and the smaller over there. The back detail is just the cutest. It's a little short on me, I'm going to admit that, but I was in denial. It was just the most adorable thing, so I just had to get it. 1,000 pesos off. Not the biggest discount ever, but still quite a steal. Another maxi dress from Mango. This time I got it in the red. It is a different style. The back is a little low. It's not totally exposed anymore, but I think this is a more wholesome look. I really like the texture of these dresses because you don't need to steam or iron them, and I am a sucker for things like that because I am super lazy. I'm a little bummed because this dress actually stained one of my white shirts, but that's what I get for putting it together with the whites in the washing machine. Okay, don't judge me. I was obsessed with this print. I really wanted to get it when it wasn't on sale yet, and so when it did go on sale, there was just no stopping me. I got these pants and it has a matching top. So cute, so cute, so cute. I feel like I'm ready for a picnic. All I need is my picnic basket. Last one from Mango is this set. I got the orange tweed shorts. Check out the details over here. I like that it has a bit of fringe. This is what I would go for if I'm doing like a wholesome family type of thing. I love this. Next up, let's go through Zara. Now when Zara went on sale, I tell you, I was like I was there on like the second day, and let me tell you, I got some cool stuff. Let's start it off with this blazer. Now this one is so gorgeous, you guys. Neon green or like lime green blazer gives me life. I love blues and greens and yellows, those kind of colors. I don't have the tag anymore, but it was on sale, and you know the only time I buy from Zara is when it's on sale. And I got a matching skirt. Matching fits just give your look an oomph, like you didn't even think about it, and it's like, whoa, where did that outfit come from? You look great, you look amazing. Yes, that's how I feel when I wear this set. Next up, in the same realm, I did get a pair of trousers, and this is a green one. This is like emerald green, like true green, and I know this was so in season for a while, and I was worried that maybe it's going to be out of it in terms of trends, but I think you can't go wrong with a solid color like this. It's all in the way that you style it, and I did get it like 2,000 pesos off, so that is a win for me. Zara trousers are my go-to, especially when I'm hosting, so I know that this is gonna get a lot of use. Sticking to the greens, let's go for this skirt. Check out that material. It is beautiful. It is gorgeousness. I don't even know. What is it? Is it silk? I don't know, but it's so good and crinkly. Like, I feel even if I wrinkle it, you see a pattern here. I like it when things don't need to be steamed, and this is exactly it, you guys. It is formal. It is elegant. It can be dressed down. It is all around. I feel like maxi dresses, maxi skirts, they are so underrated, and they do not get the respect that they deserve. Okay, enough of the greens. We're gonna move on to the blues. And you saw this during the intro. I was wearing this blue blazer, and I'm gonna wear it again right now. I went up a size just to make it like an oversized fit. That's exactly how I like it. But with the pants, I actually forced this one. I'm a small, but I got a medium just to really complete the look, because I don't know, it's like a power suit. You gotta have both the top and the bottom, so I forced it a bit. I mean, it is on sale. I don't know if that's the way to defend it, but once again, we have this really thick, really nice material. I'm really glad I found this. I feel like I'm very lucky. I guess it was a good thing that I went to the sale early on. And if you look on the inside, I also bought this tank top. It's a ribbed, pretty light material that actually, when it first came out, I almost bought it, and I was like, hold up, let's wait for the sale. Zara always goes on sale, so I'm gonna buy it then. And good thing I waited. I like the shape of the bottom of the top. It goes like a U. It's kind of unique as far as my tank tops go, so this was a really good find. Next, we have this orange skirt, and I don't really know what this material is, but it is very velvety and fuzzy, but it's not velvet because it's pretty thin. It feels like I went back to the 60s. I love the fake pockets. I wish they were real. I feel like this would be an amazing pop of color if you wear just like a black turtleneck and like a headband and like high boots. Ah, how adorable would that be? I don't have those things, but one can dream. Zara is also my ultimate when it comes to basic tops like this one, and so I got this white halter. Not really sure what to call this. It's not really a halter, basta yung manipis yung yung neckline. This shows a lot of shoulder, which I think is one of my best assets, and so I knew I had to get this one. I also overuse all of my white crop tops from Zara, so this one was a no-brainer. I also got this crop top. It has this ruched detail in the front, which I think is super flattering, especially if you're kind of top heavy like me. It kind of hides it, so to speak, and just emphasizes your bobaciousness. I thought about getting this in a black, but I figured I lack white stuff. Moving on to something that is in no way basic, I got this rose top. So this is like a little tiny tube top with giant flowers on them, like 2 giant flowers, and I just fell in love with the satiny texture. I feel like this is super chic. You can wear this for a formal event, something a little bit more on the special side. This is something that I would not usually purchase because it's a little out there, but I figured you might as well have something like this in your collection, even just one. Another funky top that I got. Wow, it is so funky that I can't even figure it out. I was, in all fairness, able to fit it properly in the Zara store, but I did love how it was kind of backless and it showed some shoulder, but at the same time it didn't reveal everything. Like, it's hubadera but not quite. I also like that it has this early 2000s type of print. I'm pretty sure I had something like this growing up when I was in my teenhood. The strings also have this really cool design. Keys, bronze keys to my heart. Ugh. And the last thing that I got from Zara, wow guys, this was a lot, huh? I got this jumper. I'm not really one for overalls, but this just kind of hit different because of the color. It's not your usual denim, like denim blue. This is a white denim. It's still kind of on the soft side, which was good. I did size up. The small looked better, but I felt like the medium was just more comfortable. I like how this makes me feel like a modern day scientist, you know, with the glasses. Oh. Let's move on to Bershka. So if Mango is like where I go for more tita things, Zara is where I go for really quality, edgy things, Bershka is where I go for super trendy stuff. This is the first purchase. I got myself a denim bra. Why would I do that? I don't know, guys. It was on sale. It has this really cool print. It's like denim, patches everywhere. This is for sure something that I would wear for more of a daring kind of day. I like that the denim is thick and quite stiff, so you don't have to worry about your nippies showing. This actually might be a super impulse buy, but it did come with matching shorts with the exact same type of print. It is just one of those unexplainable, I need it in my life types of things, and so it happened. Which leads us to our next denim thing. I got these cargo pants. They come with a bajillion pockets. I call them the pockets of destiny. They are beautiful and it's so soft. It is such a soft denim. Why is it so soft? It's a little bit long, but I think it goes well with the bagginess. It's like a look, it's like a vibe. Once again, this is a piece that super duper reminds me of like the early 2000s, which was actually a great time in my life. And so clothes like this, they really resonate with me, and I feel like I am most confident and happy when I wear them. Last but not the least, we've got some pretty heavy stuff from Bershka. This is another denim, but this time I got it from the men's section, and it is a vest. I would have preferred a bigger size, but this is all they had, and I think I can still pull this off. It actually has like matching shorts, but I guess it was sold out, so I will just have to make do. I love the mint and the fatigue kind of color. Very oversized, and I like this little detail at the back. It has a zipper with like an orange tab. Is that a tab or a string? You can put whatever. Hide your snacks in there. And that wraps up my little shopping haul from Mango, Zara, and Bershka. Do you have a favorite piece or outfit? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to talk to you guys. I now have to cut all the tags, wash them so I can use them for my next fits. Ah yeah! Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you want more clothing type of content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Peace and love. Bye!